Okay, another quick video on our favorite engine, the Jeep Pentastar. Jeep came in with a rattle behind the timing chain. You can't see it here. Maybe if I put it closer. See how there's no plunger on the center chain? Let me show you what I'm talking about. The tensioner for the middle chain. See how the guide disintegrated. Therefore, this started riding on the chain until it fell out, and then the plunger fell out, and the spring fell out. I found it all in the oil pan. Don't know why it happened, but you can see we got the holders here. Still made some emergency marks, and let me show you exactly what went bad. Here we've got, where is it at? Here, bam. That disintegrated. Didn't damage the chain. We're gonna replace everything.